Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. In this video, we're going to be talking about the future of transportation and the exciting possibilities that come with flying cars. As cities around the world become more crowded and congested, traditional transportation methods are becoming less efficient. But what if we could take to the skies to escape the traffic and move freely? The idea of flying cars has been around for decades, but with advancements in technology, it's closer to becoming a reality than ever before. What are some of the benefits of flying cars? Flying cars have the potential to reduce travel times, decrease traffic congestion, and improve overall efficiency in transportation. They could also open up new opportunities for development and create new jobs in the industry. In a world where more people are living in urban areas than ever before, the need for efficient and sustainable transportation has never been greater. How could flying cars impact the future of our cities? Urban planner. Flying cars have the potential to transform the way we move around cities. They could reduce the need for expensive road infrastructure and provide faster and more convenient transportation. However, we need to consider the challenges that come with air traffic control and ensuring that flying cars are safe and accessible for everyone. The future of transportation is exciting, and flying cars could revolutionize the way we move around our cities. Thanks for watching this video on the future of transportation and the exciting possibilities that come with flying cars. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest advancements in technology. See you in the next one.